Bernoulli's principle. According to this, when an ideal liquid flows through a pipe of varying cross-section in the narrower region, the velocity of fluid flow is more, and hence it is a low-pressure region, and in the wider region, the velocity of fluid flow is less, and thus it is a high-pressure region. Now, consider a pipe AB with end A placed at a height h1 and the end B at height h2. The liquid flows into the tube at end A with speed v1 and comes out at the other end B with speed v2. The sum total of the pressure energy, kinetic energy and potential energy of the fluid at end A is equal to the total energy at the end B. Thus, we can write the equation as P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho GH1 is equal to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho GH2. This is the Bernoulli's equation.